welcome back everybody. So we got a nice crisp afternoon and we got a yard full of snow. Had 4 or 5 inches the other day. Well, last night actually. 4 or 5 inches last night, and then 4 or 5 inches last week. So we got more snow here in December than we've had in a long time this early in the season. So, but yeah, we have got our awesomely famous snow removal set up here. I don't know if it's famous or not, but it's famous to me because I really like how it works. The only thing that's missing is we don't have our snowblower on here. And I just got a weight box on there right now. I wasn't really planning on doing much snow blowing yet. This is all fluffy snow. This is not wet stuff, and there's not a lot of it yet. And I like doing this. I like making sure that at the beginning of the season, we're plowing this with the snow pusher and getting it smoothed off so that everything gets cold and the ground gets frozen well, so that when we do use the snow blower, we're not digging up tons of rocks. And that's always an issue. Throwing tons of rocks with a snow blower, it's an issue all the time. It doesn't matter if you have a front mount, rear mount snow blower, what the case is. So for right now, we're going to do some snow pushing. So let's get to it. there we have it. There is another session of plowing done. This really works well. I really enjoy using it. It's nice and comfortable in there. The cat got a heater. We upgraded the heater. Got a higher BTU heater the end of last season, and added a couple of items here. Put a couple pieces of pipe or deflectors, actually. I'll show you real quick. Got a deflector up here, and then we got this pipe right here that runs all the way down so that it blows down, the air blows down here, hot air blows down here on the floor, which makes it pretty awesome. Circulates the heat around the cab better. Of course, this is an open station tractor, so there's no insulation on the bottom side, underneath, down on the bottom. So you're bound to have some cold air coming in there. But yeah, so I've got another video that we talked about. If you're just tuning into the channel for the first time, I got a video all about this whole setup and what we've done, and I'll put a link to that in the description, and I'll also put it at the end of this video for you guys to check out. But it explains all about what we've got set up here, this tractor, what I've done with it, the setup and snow removal, and how well it works. But yeah, it's getting dark, but you can see driveway looks pretty good, all cleaned up, done, complete, ready to go. So now we just got to we're running out of fuel, so we got to fuel up, get some more fuel. But for now, I really appreciate you guys stopping in, checking it out, scooping snow with me. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel here, and come back. We'll do some more stuff, and we always got something going on here. So tune in, and we'll see what's next. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.